I predicted that it was just going to be a mess on the day of the assembly. And I didn't even think it was going to be entertaining to watch.
Kind of nervous.
And we were kind of unmotivated to keep pushing through.
So tired and gassed. We just didn't come down on time, so.
Wait, I'll do sophomores first, you do freshmen, and then I'll do...
Tired already. It's 8:55. Unless you go.
None of our run-throughs were like exactly what happened during the assembly.
Excited but kind of nervous.
Everything was about to go so wrong.
Tyler, you should be going straight to your seat.
Just come up. And then I think like...
We need to do a second round.
Like throwing like a football, like
Really close enough so they're
Don't clap twice.
Ten days before the assembly!
So how do you feel, guys?
Nervous but excited.
Definitely excited, yeah. Oh, okay. So right now, we're gonna go do it.
Wait, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Happy birthday from ASB to you. We wish it was our birthday so we could party too. It's like these little things that we do in ASB that really help us kind of de-stress. So right now we just went and did our birthday gram for what room was it?
G102. And we do birthday grams because number 1, boosting school spirit. Number 2, you can send one to your friend through the ASB office. It's $5. And then all of us will go in the classroom during your 4th period and sing our ASB birthday song.
I know that on the outside perspective, ASB seems like a super serious, need to play by the book organization where we kind of just do our job and that's it. But outside of, aside from the cardigans and the business meetings and all of the formal stuff, we're really a family of 43 and everyone is so different and unique in their own way.
Our academic committee.
So like today, we just had
Commissioner, very hard at work, as you can see.
Yeah, we had a checkup day. So on Fridays we have checkup days, and also Fridays is when I do spirit checks.
This Jeremy guy, he's just like making up stuff on the spot. Like,
it's mandatory for everyone to dress up in Arcadia spirit and showcase their Arcadia pride every Friday.
Jeremy's talking about like being a leader and stepping up in times where people need them to step up. Just roll the clip of him talking about the Rams for like 15 minutes straight.
Late game situations, like the Rams' offense is clicking, but recently it's been their defense that's like.
Wait, so Jeremy, so what do you do in ASB?
So anyways,
I got so much to talk about.
super helpful. Like as you can see right now, I'm working on the semester 2 all ASB meeting. So I'm just helping out Angie with the slides.
I was hyper locked in, like super fixated on every little widget of what was going on in the assembly. Like, you know, like I think all the assembly leads could like attest for me, you know?
Yeah, I think ASB is just a very welcoming community with people that are very social and talk, and sometimes they talk a lot.
The best ability is availability. The best ability, wait, pan the camera back to me. The best ability is availability. Let me repeat that again. The best ability is availability.
I'm always the most locked in, like that's 100% facts.
Sometimes it gets really frustrating, especially when we have to lock in, especially the week of the assembly when everyone's supposed to have all their tasks done. And then I hear about the Rams in my ear and I'm like.
There are times where you're allowed to have fun, but like the week of the assembly is like, it's not one of them.
So getting closer to the day of the assembly and even the week of the assembly, I was kind of very nervous. Me and my other co-lead, Megan, were kind of scrambling to rework some games and figure out some last minute adjustments.
So just talk to the academic team that has it, right?
Yeah.
Don't even talk to, I always talk to the athletic team, they come second.
Me and Megan started opening up the folders and opening up the documents maybe like a month and a half in advance, but we actually started like really hardcore working on it during break.
We did have a committee of people to help us brainstorm game ideas, but it was kind of Matthew and I in the end to nail down those ideas. So a lot of our organization were all basically blueprints from years before. We kind of utilize a lot of the documents that are already in the drive, so that helped us a lot to kind of lay out what we needed to get done, especially the script and how the games are going to be fully executed. That's what we kind of had to practice on the week before.
Being a lead for an assembly or just any event in general, you have a couple people that are in charge of all the logistics, all the details, so they know every single timeline and when things have to get done and all the materials. But we have the other half of ASB that's kind of there on the day of and working, like not knowing all the details.
It was just so much stress that was put on me and Matthew during the assembly, so that's kind of why it felt like a fever dream.
Like, fill up all of this. Fill all that.
And it's funnier because
Spitz and Orlowski kind of dropped that bomb on us the day we came back to break, presenting this really ambitious game idea.
Oh no. So every category has both brains and bronze questions. It's just the category name is like.
No, I'm just here to help.
Okay. Yeah. Does that kind of make sense? Unfortunately, it was just a very kind of plan-heavy or preparation-heavy game.
And I think overall the idea was just way too ambitious for us to execute within like 2 to 3 weeks.
Imagine there's like
So
a grid,
Nicholas and
right? Like a Jeopardy board. Theo and Kevin will be going into the audience to ask them to pick a category. So, ask
audience members,
Kylie.
pick a category.
Jeremy goes and pulls it off.
And he's gonna pull off the like taped paper just to signify that that category is ready. And then if they don't know the answer, it'll go to the opposite team.
So the team will then run to the center to grab the ball, which Jeremy and Bree are going to be keeping track of who grabs it first.
The ball's gonna
Then
be
the team will be able to answer. If the team answers it correctly, they get the points, which then Iris and Nika will calculate the points for the team. If they don't get it correctly, the other team has the option to answer the question and get the points. Yes?
It was difficult to even get a run-through in, and the run-through itself was very rough.
On this side. So 10 and 11.
Based on
first and then they answer the question?
No. So it'll
it's
be
like a Jeopardy
I think you should
question.
emphasize that in each question they're either getting a physical.
So I feel like that was what kind of motivated my decision to cut it.
After the whole brains versus bronze situation, we were thinking of putting something else in. It was going to be either another game or like a game that Mr. Vo thought of.
Jeremy and Eisen were very adamant that they wanted to lead this t-shirt toss. So we were getting a bunch of requests by them like a week before to add that game in.
So going through all the documents from last year and past years, we didn't really have a t-shirt toss section or like time to do that. And so I personally thought everything was going to get crammed, and so obviously for the whole week I said no.
Like when Megan decided to cut the game, we could get them off our backs, and they were able to do the script and write their script and fulfill their dream role.
I mean, me and Eisen are naturals at it. Like we're in the crowd, we're going crazy. We're like, who wants a shirt? Who wants a shirt? And we're like chucking it, bro. We got rocket launcher arms, bro. We're like throwing it like a football, like Matthew Stafford for the LA Rams, bro. We're throwing dots into the crowd, bro.
Being in ASB for all 4 years, usually the assemblies, they're pretty engaging, but they're not to the point where people will get up from their seats and like cheer. So having that last minute decision, I'm really grateful that they were able to do it so last minute, but I also wish that I had said yes earlier.
I didn't know who to choose. I didn't know who to throw a dot to, so I was like. I was like, yo, like, Simon says, do jumping jacks if you want a t-shirt. And everyone got up and like, boom, boom, boom.
We get here at like 7:30 a.m. We're setting up, we're rehearsing, we're setting up all the games and decorating the gym. So going into the assembly, we've already been there for a couple hours preparing for all of the students.
It's 8:55. We're about to start for a run through in 10 minutes, but having fun.
And then whoever was filming.
To write huge waves. If I was stranded on an island, the only one I want by my side is someone from...
We don't have time for a full game.
No. Can we space it? Oh! Hey juniors! Are you confident about winning? Are you confident you can win?
To another league championship title. They are incredibly goal-oriented and know how to use their heads in intense situations. Give it up for girls soccer!
No, that was bad. When my voice cracked, like so many things ran through my head and it got like really overwhelming and I got really scared. I think that my mind like hit a state of I'm cooked and I didn't really hear anything. Time froze and I thought, oh man, they're probably recording this too. I'm not gonna live this down.
But I actually kind of felt empathetic for Theo because I think after the first assembly, I was feeling like, my throat was feeling like hella cooked. So I really needed water and it was actually Theo who came in and with a clutch save and he gave me that water.
I feel like him voice cracking, I mean, it's not a big deal. We're teenagers, it happens to all of us.
There was a lot of hiccups, especially in our emceeing. We kind of made a lot of mistakes. So I kind of had to do like this really awkward spirit check and like I only did it like halfway through, so I only got to freshmen and sophomores. So that was kind of awkward. And then we forgot to announce the Hungry Hippos winner the second assembly. So that was also awkward. And then I kind of got airballed by Matthew like midway through emceeing.
Are you ready to see who can build the tallest tower? 3.
What I remember is all the parts that I messed up on or all the parts where I felt embarrassed. But we were really glad that our advisors had so many positive things to say about it. And the crowd really went wild during the assembly games. So that made us feel like it wasn't a total mess.
It was in the middle of the first assembly. It was in the middle of Pep Squad's performance, which is the last one before we end with the alma mater. And I saw the advisors, they were like in the corner of the gym as usual, and they motioned me to like come over, and that's when I knew something was wrong.
I think we went too fast, so we're doing it again. Yeah, we're running it back. Second run. Oh, wait, okay. 10:54 right now. It ends. It's 11:13. Oh, we have like 20 minutes.
So what I was thinking was doing the box stackers, but implementing the sports and academic teams because that was the whole point of the other game. And so I thought of that, and then I ran around the whole gym back to Matthew and Megan, and then I told them, hey, we're doing box stackers again, but choose people from academic teams and sports teams. And initially, I knew that it was gonna freak them out a lot.
Like the advisors and like Angie were telling us to make these last minute changes, and we're like, I don't know about, I think me and Megan both were kind of like we get nervous when that happens.
There was no script for that part at all.
While doing that notes.
That's okay.
Was it noticeable?
First place high school.
No, don't worry about it.
That homecoming 2026 is back. It will be held next week.
Each class will take turns sending one designated student to the middle of the gym to grab boxes and bring them back to their corner to stack. Let's go. For this game representing the freshmen we have.
Sophomores we have. Oh, what?
This is currently in the lead. Basketball is not letting anyone get his boxes. Don't let the pain steal from you. Defend. Don't go. 3, 2, 1. Everyone stop.
I'm so impressed how Megan and Matthew were able to whip that up within a minute after me telling them and also telling all of ASB.
I guess the whole concept of ASB, people kind of think it's a whole popularity contest, but I feel like that's not entirely true. I want ASB to be seen as more of a hardworking organization rather than just people who got elected based on votes.
In my eyes, I think these members are considered popular because of our impact on other people and our staff, teachers, admin, and our friends, how we treat each other.
I'm kind of nervous. T-shirt toss. You're gonna do great.
With such an academically driven school, I feel like school spirit is something that needs to be nurtured and developed and put a lot more effort into than most other schools. So I think ASB being driven towards that goal is something that's very important for the campus.
We're really a family of 43, and all of us coming together for that reason. That's why I'm going to miss it so much, because I'm surrounded by so many people that I find so inspiring, so it drives me to be like them too.
So I've gotten to grow close bonds with people in ASB who I've been with for multiple years. And I really appreciate all the memories we've made together and all the hard work we've done together, all the events we've planned. And I think at this point, as I'm nearing my final semester in ASB, I just really appreciate the community I have and the friends I've made that are gonna last a lifetime.
I hope this kind of gives you an inside scoop of what we do at ASB. I know Winter Pep Assembly is a very big event, but it's one of the many events that we do. So this video is just a very small part of all the work we do throughout the year for you guys. So thanks for watching.
This has been Tejas Patel
and Eisen Chang,
reporting for AUSD Today.